What's up everyone, Frankie here. Welcome back to Chill Pack Rips. Today in front of me I have this Pokemon treasure chest from 2022. As you guys can see on the bottom here, it did come out 2 years ago, but it has been resurfacing in stores as of late. I actually just picked this up about a week or so ago from my local Target, so maybe you guys can still find this at one of your local retailers as well. But yeah, this is really good for the value. I mean, you're getting 5 booster packs from the Sword and Shield era, 2 Brilliant Stars, and 3 Fusion Strike. However, rumor has it that this could contain some Evolving Skies booster packs. I've actually seen people open this and get Evolving Skies as well. So maybe we can get lucky in this video and pull that. Regardless, these sets are both awesome from the Sword and Shield. Also, what comes in here, you get 3 promo cards, Pokemon coins, some stickers, mini portfolio, a notebook, and then a code card. But yeah, without further ado, let's rip this open. Let's see what we can get. If you guys do like the video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it.